Most kings get their head cut off. Yeah, I'm inspired by, life and all sorts of things. You can say something right now that would inspire me to write a song or something to happen. Most kings just happen to be inspired by Basquiat drawing, the drawing, and you had most young kings get their head cut off on the bottom. And I looked at that and I was like, it's powerful. Just the statement in itself, lends itself for a song.
Oh, hell the king when a nigga come through. It's bouncing up and down, through the roses in my feet too. Yeah, I got that juice, that's why the justice get loose. Mama said I got it, only one that flew the coop. And I told y'all that I won't settle down. Looking in the mirror, hold on, let me fix my crown. I told y'all niggas that I don't fuck around. If it's going up, then you knowin' that I shut it down. I got a princess on her way, and my queen chillin' in her own space. My son is the prince, and they got the sword. He'll slay anybody that's sitting in the way. And you think it's your time, little nigga, just wait. Your son the king with a handful of space. You just a joker, know what that means? You'll never get played. To be honest, I ain't feeling these niggas, cause I ain't hearing these niggas to open up like a dentist. I be drilling these niggas, yeah, I be killing these niggas. And 757 above heaven when I'm done, just to go and visit these niggas. Hey, so whatever, I'm the one. Don't need shooters, but a nigga got a gun. Man, I got that back and I aim for the sun. And I control the world with the flip of my tongue, bitch. Oh, hell the king, nigga. Get up on your fucking knees for the king, nigga. Better show respect for the king, nigga. All hell to the king, nigga. Looking around and I'm surrounded by these presents. I just step inside the building, everybody hit the exit. Yeah, nigga got bands, someone shit in one direction. Keep on fucking around, I lay your necklace for your niggas. Keep throwing them shots, easily intercepted. Boy, I'm dope, easily injected. Got the T-virus, come get infected. It's time to take over, hope you get the message. Yeah, I'm the best. Looking around and then I ask who's next. We all know life is far from checkers, and it's all about chess. And why you think a nigga over here rubbing on the breast? See, I'm killing the game and now I'm built with the flame. You niggas looking at me like I'm too insane. Boy, I'm spitting this cup flow, I got the can. When I'm done with your bitch, she gon' need a cane. And you dealing with the gang, and you niggas just some amateurs. Yeah, I'm here forever, through on my calendar. I'ma be a minute, boosted up my stamina. Just a all back night, swinging next caliber. Oh, hell the king, nigga. Get up on your fucking knees for the king, nigga. Better show respect for the king, nigga. All hell to the king, nigga. All hell the king, nigga. Get up on your fucking knees for the king, nigga. Better show respect for the king, nigga. All hell to the king, nigga.
The side of success, how people look at you when you're successful. Media medals, people sue you, settle. Every step you take, they remind you get it. So no matter how far you are, you still have that stigma on you of where you come from when you walk inside the door. Even if you have a tuxedo on, it's like, oh yeah, that's the guy who used to be this and did that. Most kings get their head cut off.